we have ourselves a no calculator problem on a 6th grade math PSSA practice test, and we are asked to add two decimals. 39.093, so that's 39 and 93 thousandths, plus 52.72, so that's 52 and 72 hundredths, with that TH. Whenever you're being asked to add decimals, it's so very important that you line up the decimals. So I'll write out 39.093, and I'll make sure that that decimal is right there. So the 52 is directly under the 39, the 72 is directly under the 09, and any numbers that are kind of left over on the right, just throw in a 0 there, no big deal. Now we add these guys up and carry over just like we always do. So 3 plus 0 is 3. 9 plus 2 is 11, write out a 1, carry a 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. So write out your 8. Drop down your decimal. 9 plus 2 is 11. Write down a 1. Carry a 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. So you end up with 91 and 813 thousandths, which is going to be D.